I know you're not mine anymore. Anyway, anytime. Tell me how come
We're not in love anymore.
how come
Things will never be the same again. I keep forgetting how you made that so clear.
I keep forgetting, baby. Every time you're near,
We're not in love anymore.
every time you're near, baby.
Things will never be the same again.
Baby,
Forget how you made that so clear.
every time you're near.
Forgetting.
Okay, YouTube's going in the house. Oh shit, that was loud. Sorry, guys. Jump scare. Shame on you. Not the jump scare ones.
It was so right, it was so wrong. Almost. The morning light is turning blue, the feeling is bizarre. The night is almost over, I still don't know where you are. The shadows they keep me pretty like a movie star.
TikTok's alive.
That makes me feel
TikTok
like
is
Dracula.
alive.
In the end, I hope it's you and me.
It is a banger.
In the darkness, I would never leave.
Yeah, nah. It's actually nah. Yeah, this is a banger.
In the light of day, it's far too late. The time has come. I'm on the verge of caving in. I run back
Shop
to
for the sharing of the live. You know what to do. You know what to do.
My friends are saying, shut up, Kevin, just get in the
Not
car.
the spam shares.
I just wanna be right where you are. In the end, I hope it's you and me.
Hey.
In the darkness, I would never leave people. Saw this moment coming from afar. Now here we are, run from the sunlight, Dracula. Run from the sunlight, Dracula. Run from the sunlight, Dracula.
What's the chords? Looks technical. Ah, yes, it's technically. I mean, that's just my side project called Nebula, which is what I use to show the chat in the console. Yeah, I'm gonna join after if you're still going. Oh, yo, yeah, jump in. Yeah, guys, I'm just working on something, so I'm like half gonna listen to you guys and half not. Yeah. It's year level 1. All good. All I know is that you have a little bit of control. Yeah, nah. Ready? If you ask me what's my stack with a question mark at the end, right? I'll actually get rid of this. Oh, that's wrong. Dracula. Let me get sync the chat again. So, okay, so that's done. But if you comment like something like, "What is your stack?" with a question mark, then it'll trip this up. It'll trip this match, because like I have this thing set up here with code, and if someone comments, right, and someone says one of these things, like these things are included in your message, stack and a question mark, that means that you're asking about my stack, and then an automated response will show up. Oh no, I didn't really explain anything. I'm telling you to comment it, right? Comment Slack with a question mark, right? And you'll see what is going to happen. Slack. Oh, it's your stack. You're right. Can you see that? It's printing on Stack now. No, Stack. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, nah. Sorry, I misspoke. I meant Stack. Sorry, I've been talking on Slack, like right now I'm talking on Slack with somebody, and yeah. See, look, it says this is my stack, right? You see what I mean? It's like automated responses. So like if you want to know stuff about me, because I'm not paying attention all the time, I want to like respond to you automatically. So whatever you want to ask me, I'll add it here. And I was gonna work on something else, which was what are you working on? Like stack. Oh wait, it's case sensitive. Hold on, let me change that behavior. So if comment includes, so we'll go comment dot to lower case matches this dot to lowercase. Let's just do it like that, Can you try that again? There you go. It works now. There you go. So if I clear the chat again, someone comment again. Comment stack. Go. Oh, it's a bit wonky, but yeah. There you go. Thanks again. Oh, take care. So yeah, this is like a little thing I set up so like I don't have to repeat myself. Because if someone says, "What's your stack?" as a developer, then I would like, instead of answering them, like it shows them in the comment section. Know what I mean? And so, as part of that, there's also like, what am I working on? You know?
Then one day his heart was stolen by a demon. He never returned to complete his apprenticeship.
And from that day forward, he has been using his magic for entirely selfish reasons.
I'm gonna create a playlist.
That boy is
TikTok
extremely
Live.
dangerous. His powers are far too great
For someone without a heart.
Another night ride, looking down at the moon. Looking down, down, feeling sorry for the moon. I don't have to ask, yeah, I already know. It is what it is, 'cause you are what you do. Another night ride, I'm at war with the moon. Another big mess, it's another monsoon.
Hey.
Time passed by, you know it wasn't easy. Take what you can, 'cause you know these bitches. Play what you know, baby, why ain't you seen? Way I call you would think I wasn't even. Going all night, I've been searching for a feel. Going all night, you've been searching for a feel. Way too high, about to break through shit. Going all night, I've been dancing with a demon. You can't seem to save yourself, save yourself. Never learn to ask for help, ask for
Love the Matrix vibes, yeah.
nobody said
I like the green vibes, and I'll tell you why. Because my company colors are green and black, and so I was like, yo, let's just make everything green and black then. Hey, hey, hey. Still trying to understand API. I've watched clips, but still don't understand it. You want an explanation, eh? What kind of software I'm into? I'm into like consumer products and also like B2B products. I mean, it's kind of a generic answer, eh? Because that kind of covers a lot, but that's basically the answer, right? Like, I like building the capability behind that, and like, you know, as that person mentioned before, like APIs and that. So like APIs are my jam. Building robust APIs and also front ends. Imagine that, hey, like that's full stack, yeah. And so I'm most happy in, I guess, in the product of all things, right? I'm not really like a back end guy versus front end guy. You know what I mean? Like, I'm most happy in code, no matter where it lives. Yeah, you get me. And so, I guess tonight's coding session is you're not able to see my actual VS Code session. Like, you're looking at a different window to me, because like the window that you're seeing now, that's my side project that you're allowed to look at, right? But I'm working on a client project, and yeah, I need to do some work on it right now, which is what I'm doing. And yeah, mostly that's full stack. It's back end, front end. Yo, bro, I've been live for so long. I've been asleep and woke up and everything. Why are you not passed out yet? I had a sleep. What do you mean? I had a sleep. I slept. Hey, yeah, of course, privacy reason. Yeah, absolutely. So that's what I'm looking at. Is it's like same code editor though. Like, I'm looking at the same colors and all that. But yeah.
In my dreams, there remains dimming a light spark in my brain. Call your name.
So I just created I'm creating a playlist for tonight's jam.
Flying through the
For
wind.
tonight's jam.
From my
How long have you been coding for? Professionally for like 13 years. I got my first job in 2014. My first ever job straight out of uni. Is it essential to have or use API? For example, does trading use API? Yes. Everyone uses APIs. Damn, that's nice. Yeah. Because so I've been living the dream. I've been living the dream by being able to get paid to do what I love. Yeah? And you guys, like, people just play around with that kind of concept, right? They go, I love what I do, you know, but they don't mean it. You know what I mean? There's some people who just don't mean it. What I'm telling you is that I will do this for free. Okay? You don't get it. I'll do this for free. I'll be homeless before I started doing something else by force. Imagine. And to the next level thing, it's like we get, you know, there's like cushion here in New Zealand, you know? Like when you're poor, you're like not poor, you know? Hot take, yeah? Hot take. When you're poor, you're not poor. You know what I mean? It's like, oh, I'm poor. Really? You're sleeping indoors. Really? At least you might have a cousin to sleep on the couch, you know? Like, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's not to like dampen the struggles that people are going through. But in saying that, yeah, in other countries, you know, I've seen what poor looks like, and it's crazy. I always say if you take away the pay from something, only people who love the job will remain. That's correct. I mean, that's a no-brainer. Like, you know what I mean? Like, why would someone stay there? It's the same with like nursing and that, right? And teaching. They stay, like, people are still there, right? They're not there to make money, you know? So they're passionate about it, so that's why they do it. And that's why they deserve to be paid more. You know, that's like a pillar of our society. You take education away, man, it's whoever's the strongest wins. You take education away from a society, we're all dodos, and we're all just knocking each other out. You know, when someone dies, you don't say thoughts and prayers anymore. You just say prayers. You know, there's no thoughts. There's no thoughts if you take education away, man. To get back to you. What's your name? Is your name Queef? I never earned a penny from any of my codes. That's okay. I mean, that's not okay. If you want to make pennies, right, from your code, then that's not okay. But yeah, I guess those are some challenges you're gonna need to work through. Lol, you called my name? Well, yeah, because your name's Queef. Anyway, Queef. So, just to answer your question about APIs, it's like, what is it? It's like going, hey, does my car need an engine? Does my car need an engine? Hey. He's like, excuse me, I got a question for you. I got a question. Does my car need an engine? And it's like, well, I guess not. I mean, it's possible for you to own a car without an engine. Sure, you can own a car. You can start making a car. So you can make a car. Like if you take an engine out of a car and you look at it, you go like, that's a car. That is a car right there, right? And then when you open the hood, like, oh, there's no engine in there. Ah. That's a great example, thanks. Yeah, I just made it up on the spot. What I'm telling you is that an API, right, is reusable costs, right? Reusable logic. API costs though, build your own engine is better though. It depends on what what the project is, right? Because you can build your own, but put it this way, right? Let me have a look. Okay, so for example, let's pause for music for a second, okay? Let's get serious, all right? So API, it costs money, right? Some APIs that are publicly consumable, meaning that you're allowed to use it, right? They cost money to use sometimes, depending on the service, right? But if you take ChatGPT, if you take OpenAI's API, for example, right? That is you are charged to use their API, right? You are charged based on the token usage, the input tokens and the output tokens. So basically, you ask something from ChatGPT, well, OpenAI's API, and you get a response back, right? You are paying for that as a developer. And if you think about that, so you're like, you wouldn't want to make your own, right? I mean, it's possible. It's possible for you to make your own LLM, right? As a REST service. You totally get. And there are services, well, sorry, there are open source projects dedicated to allow you to be able to do that easily, right? If you have a look at LM Studio, take a look, go research LM Studio, go research Llama models, go research all of these models that you can run locally on your machine. You can absolutely do that. But then just realize what you're doing. You're bringing a technology to your computer. So where are you hosting that, right? Where are you hosting it? Are you hosting it on your machine? Are you gonna send it? Are you gonna host it in the cloud somewhere? Are you gonna build your own server to host that? And if you drill down a bit better, if you drill down a bit further, sorry, then how will those local LLMs perform, right? What's your expectation? What is your purpose? What's your purpose for consuming an API that has LLM capabilities? What's the purpose? Is the purpose to become a ChatGPT? Is that your purpose? Is your purpose to, I guess, create a ChatGPT wrapper, right? An open AI model wrapper, a Claude wrapper. Like, what is the requirement, right? So it's all about those requirements. So, but in the case of consuming LLMs, right, I would absolutely use the commercial ones if you value intelligence. If your models, if the product that you're building requires the intelligence, right, I would not go with an inferior model. And I'm not talking about like this is like a weird model. I'm talking about it's literally not as intelligent as the ones that are commercially hosted by OpenAI, right, or Claude, or all of those ones that the big giants that are fighting for whoever's the most cleverest. Yeah. So would I build my own API to kind of like give me LLM capabilities? Probably not. Will I do it for fun? Probably yes. Probably yes, I will. And have I done it? Yes, I have actually. I've done it myself, and it is really, really fun. It is so cool, actually. But is that a product that I'm going to? Is that a service that I'm going to use? Is that a service that I'm going to use in one of my products? Definitely not, because performance is not there, right? I only have 32, 64 gigs of RAM on my machine. Okay, and some of these models are like hella consuming, right? So then you go, oh yeah, give me that model. How much is it? It's a terabyte model. Like, are you sure? I don't have a terabyte RAM. What the hell are you on? Because remember, these models need to sit in memory. They need to sit in memory for you to consume. So then if you put that all in there and you put that in your RAM, you're not playing games. No. You're running the API by itself. Yeah. And so you're like, oh yeah, but it's my own. And I've got no cost. Yeah, but you don't have performance. And it's not cost effective, right? And you can't give the app or the website that you've made as a wrapper on top of that API. You haven't given that to anybody outside of your house. No, nobody can download that. And if they do manage to download that, they two tokens per second. 2 tokens per second. So they're like, summarize this thing for me. Hit enter. Waiting. Yeah. Let me catch up on some comments. I just ranted for all these reasons. I don't know why. 64 gigs of RAM. I have an iPad that's got a Microflex E2 VM, which is 1 gigabyte. Get out of here. What the fuck is this LARP theme? I don't know. It's a random green theme that I found. My company colors are black and green. Quantum solid. Oh, it's Quantum D in his house. What's up, my guy? Oh, we need to bring the music back because vibes are back. Maybe some hit in the jar. Oh no. What about this one? Bro is not in the Matrix. Nah, gee. Absolutely not.
With kisses down her neck.
Yeah, so what was the name? Queef. Did that explain why you need an API and why you wouldn't roll your own in some cases? AI is taking over, but what display on your terminal? AI is taking over? I can't wait for it to take over, man. There's a bunch of tasks that I don't want to do in this job. There's heaps of tasks that I don't want to do. I want to just create. I'm a creator, man. But can you please come and fix Hapana software? Who the hell's that, first of all? Let me Google it. Hapana software. Use Kali. Use Kali? You want me to use Kali Linux? Oh, gym management software. Oh, here we go. Anyways, bro, you cool as my dude. I'll send you a follow and catch you next time. Nice. Shop for the follow. And thanks for thinking that I'm cool. Not many people think I'm cool. If you get to know me, you'll slowly change your opinion over time. Hey, Hiram. Hey, Hiram. Once you get to know me, right? It just goes down and down and down. Okay? So just remember this, okay? Remember when I'm roasting the shit out of you, okay, in the comments? With no remorse, okay? When that's happening, just go, oh man, I remember I followed this guy before. Man, why is he doing this? Hello. Oh no. What are you doing? Aloe Vera. Oh no. Yes, it does help me. Thank you, brother. That motor explanation truly helped me to know. Nice. I love that for you. I love that for you. Just got cool on my dude, not the Fonzie cool, but okay, like chill, yeah, I'm chill. Chill as fuck. Yo, I can smell my chicken almost done, man. How long has it got? I put it on for 40 minutes. Just did the worst data migration. Man, yo, you need to explain that to me. Hold on, let me pause this music. Okay, explain. I just googled them. Right, Hapana. Hapana wanna hiding G. Oh, not the AI image. No. Oh my days, not the AI images. Who's their marketing department? Anta apakasi deve. Hapana. Wait, switch to Hapana. Without a hitch. Without a hitch. Did you have a hitch, Hiram? Did you have a hitch? So when you move from one system to another, obviously you need to transfer your client data. Yeah, that's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, Hiram, if you know that, you know, brother, we had all the hitches. We had hitch after hitch after hitch. Damn, man, who managed that rollout? 'Cause damn. Migration and go live. Ooh, who built this? Let me know. Who built this? Nah, I'm a hater. Hey, I'm a hater. Nah, gee. Don't be mean. How much wait, how much are you paying for this? Better be free. Better be free with that level of toxicity, man. Yeah. Damn. This is what happens, man. I'm trying to work, right? And this is what happens. I just can't help but talk to you guys. What a slut. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes and then I'm eating chicken tonight. Yeah. Chicken and rice. Chicken and rice, G. So good. Well, what a blaming us guy. No, I'm not blaming you. But what happened though? Wait, so you had client data, right? I'm assuming that you were on a previous system, and then you had all the client data, and then the migration happened, and then what? Like, migration, honestly, it depends on how complicated the system is, but in the industry, it's like, it should be, like, minutes, okay? It should be minutes, tops. But half my comments don't come through. Oh, hold on, let me see in here. Oh, wait, hold on. they're not coming through on the app, but they're coming through my console. Fuck, my code's so good. Anyway, so when you move from one system, oh yeah, so you're doing that all hitches. Blah, blah. Oh no, wait, hold on. Fields and values. Yeah, lol. That's what you said last night. How to mahi without answering to questions. Yeah, here's how. Map the data. Yep. Test migrate one site. Yeah. Test migrate a site. That makes sense. And then roll over, and then if that fails migration, then investigate and troubleshoot, and then you know what I mean. Investigate, troubleshoot, organize. You know, roll back. Oh shit! It's chicken time. Des be keen to see the script in TikTok JS file. Oh yeah, have a look. Have a look if you want. Wait, can you have a look? Let's have a look. Yeah, okay. I'm using a proxy. Yeah. There's no hidden things in here. Cache. This is what's in my TikTok thing. So if you have a proxy, I'm using this TikTok live connector. This is like a well-known JavaScript TikTok live connector. This actually has the WebSockets in there. Messed up so many details that should have been mapped and prepped for. Oh, Hiram, I'm so sorry about that. Ugh, sounds awful. And then I have a Molly.exe. Hey. Wait, so what are the after effects of that? Is it settled now? Is your system settled now, or there's still some aftermath that you're cleaning up? Anyway, Cash, so this is my proxy that I added because I in fetching the data, I don't want TikTok to know where this is from, like where the origin's from. We're down thousands and no way. No way. Are you serious? Oh my days. Anyway, okay. I need to think of a good transition to they're making us go and manually fix our own data. Oh, not the offloading to the customer ones. Oh shit. Hey man, some laho stole your recipe app idea. Meep mop, meep moop. That's fine, okay? I love that you're like you're on my side. I love that for you. Yeah? And I love the the camaraderie. That's awesome, but it's all good. Not to promise the world and lie, then build as you go. Promise the world and you build it as you go. Not the software that's like, hey, so I'm gonna quickly build the service, right? But guess what? We're gonna use HAS. We're gonna use Hiram as a service. You go update your own data or else. You're your own process, okay? You're your code. You're the code. HAS is crazy. HAS is crazy. Hiram as a service. Yeah, gee, I would use that service. Yeah, man. Anyway, Cash, if you're still watching it, got the proxy, and I have this class that I just made, basically to refresh the timeout, and that's it. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. But this one is just to show what you can actually search for. Hiram as a solid. Oh no. More like Hiram as a singer. Anyway, I'm gonna just quickly just Hiram, keep them entertained. I'm trying to get my chicken and rice. Go do some. I don't know. Do some backflip or something.
What the hell is going on here? Let's have a look. Tina's browser history. I'm not ashamed of my browser history, man. I've never had food on stream before. Oh nah, man, I'm not ashamed at all. That's the thing about me, man. I'm like, I don't know. I think I'd be like sketched out if I was like, I don't know. Nothing will make me like embarrassed. Like I don't do anything that's worth going, oh my god, he did that. Like no one else does that. Damn. Sorry if you hate watching people eat, but I'm eating dinner. And I guess I could stop the stream and have feed. Ow, shit. Actually, yeah, maybe I should pause it. It's time. How long have I been streaming? 40 minutes. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should just end this one for now, and then I'll come back. Because I actually have to call someone too. And then yeah, I wasn't really planning this, but yeah, I know it's ASMR. I could do ASMR. Car pie, brother. Yeah, I'll be back when I can. Probably tonight. Depends on what happens, but yeah. Yeah, I might go streaming again late at night, like I usually do. It's a bit too early right now. The sun's still up. Was it? Yeah, it is. I've locked my whole house though. So yeah. Anyway, shot guys for the random 40-minute stream. I'm just testing stuff, right? Hey Ben, can you quickly type in what's your stack with a question mark? Or just say stack question mark. Like just do stack with a question mark. Just want to test that automated responses. Cause yeah, like that. Cool. There we go. You got another one too. So like, if someone says, "Hey, what's your stack? Like, what's your favorite stack?" Question mark. My stack will come up in the chat. Damn, what's that theme? The theme is like green for days, G. That's what this theme's called. I just looked for green theme and I went through a bunch of them and I just wanted to get like a black and green theme. What's your favorite stack? There you go, nice. Thanks for testing. This is my favorite stack, by the way. Obviously it depends, right? But this is my go-to. Do. Sup, Bobbers Billy? Man, I miss you, man. Timothy's crazy. So if you have any other questions, right? If you can think of any other frequently asked questions, right? Let me know because I'm going to add it to the list. Because like I have a responses file here. Chat to terminal integration? Yeah, sure is. Sure is, Umzy. Umzy, my G. Oh, you're working on Nebula again. No, I'm actually not. So if you have a look at this, so I've shared the Nebula. What games do you play? I don't play games. Maybe that's one. Okay, what games do you play? The answer's gonna be I don't play games. Ben's super disappointed. It's like, oh, So he's just a nerd without the fun. So that's where I am. I'm on the musician programmer side of the world. Yeah, that's where I am. That's where I live. So like I vibe with musicians. You know, what's your Twitch? Oh, maybe that's a good thing. I'm actually live on Twitch right now. My Twitch is what is my Twitch? Anybody know my Twitch? Hold up. My Twitch is it's this. This is my Twitch. Ready? That's my Twitch. Tino Music _ Tino Music _ Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go offline now. Thanks for tuning in, you guys. I'm just gonna have dinner and then jump on a call, and then I'm gonna go and I'll try and be online again. But remember, I'm trying to be online, but also work. So if I'm not able to jump online and work, then it's gonna be a problem. I need to figure it out because I want to automate the responses, but also be online to like have a cheeky yarn, right? But also still work. But every time I jump on, it's like literally 3 hours straight of talking. It's because I'm a talker, you know? Like I actually do enjoy talking. What a talk shit kind of guy. So that's what I want. If it's impossible, it's impossible. Then I have to just work offline and I can't stream it. But what I really want to do is stream and then talk a little and then kind of control myself and then work, you know? Because right now I have a little bit of work to do. I have like 6 items on my task list, on my to-do list. And yeah, I hope to be finished with them tonight. And yeah, it's quite a large feature, so I need to lock in. Maybe I'll lock in after dinner and then come online. We'll have a look. Anyway, thanks guys for joining my stream. I'm going to head off and I'll see you guys later on tonight or tomorrow. I'll try and stream more often, right? Just so I can join a community. If you want to join my community, oh, look at the plugs. Not the plugs. Tino.nz/Discord. If you want to jump in my Discord and like have a chat with me, I promise I will read you. I will read your message. Okay? I promise I'll read your message and then I'll be like, wow, what a cool message. Yeah? Okay. Ka kite ano.